Thai curry fake away.
Welcome back to Chef's Corner. I'm here with Liam. What have we got today?
Today we've got a fake away. We're going to make a little Thai curry out of the soup we made in one of our previous videos. Remember the sweet potato, red pepper and coconut?
I do, very nice.
So we've added a little bit of Thai curry paste, a bit more coconut milk, some rice there please, Governor. Right, high in protein, very simple to make, and it also means you're not getting all that rubbish salt. John, I need a bit of garnish please.
Lovely.
I'm topping it off with a little bit of pickled
That's how
vegetables.
we do it, is it?
That's how we do
From
it,
the
John.
top,
That's
lovely.
how we roll.
Thank you
Okay,
very
keep
much.
your laugh and tackle around that. Let's see how we get
And I
on.
think everyone knows chicken is my favourite food.
High in protein, low in sodium.
Amazing.
Can't go wrong.
It's got the pickle, which is great for gut health.
Good shot of probiotics.
Amazing.
It's quite tasty, isn't it? Does that hit
Got
all
a
the
really
spots?
nice kick
Yeah,
as well.
yeah, and it's got a nice follow through. And it's very, very healthy. Right, there you go, fake away.
The only thing is, I keep thinking every meal is my favourite, but I think this one is. Chef's Corner.
Thank you very much.